Okay. What are you making on? Oh, who's that? Sophia. Okay. Is that your drawing? Oh, copy. Oh, look first and then you copy what Papa just draw. Oh, so cute naman this baby. Is this you, Sophia? Is that you? Wow, cute naman ah. Draw circle. Say circle. What? Oh, put cover muna to that one. Put cover muna, please. Oh, very good. Replace the cap. Put the cap back, okay? Very good. Just Sophia lang yung gagawin. Oh, then. See? Para hindi matuyo. Diba? Oh, open. Oh, pull it. Oh, see? Now. Can open it now. Oh, see? Oh, right hand naman po ang gagamitin niya. Dalawa po kasi yung kanyang ginagamit. Left and right hand. Okay? Then after that, put the cover na. That's, see? Oh, draw a circle. Oh, you put back the cover. Oh, diba? Ang talino talaga niyan. Oh, you pick another color. Diba? Hindi na po siya madadry up. Kasi Sophia know how to replace the cup. Oh, ask me, please. Say please. Okay. It's open na. Come on. Take it na. See? Always put back the cup afterwards, ha? Okay, right? Put a color. You go other side. Do. Wow. What are you writing there? Circle? Is this a circle? Wow. Magaling talaga siya. Nakaka-create na siya. Oh. Yay. Oh, replace the cup. Come on. Put back the cup. Oh, you pick another color that you like. Oh, pick another one, please. Put that. Oh, very good. Oh, see. That's Mama.